All right. Area of a triangle. Again, we're just looking at the triangle for this moment. Area of the triangle is 1/2 times its base times its height. So B here, there are 1/2 BH. All right, so again, we're just looking at the triangle for a moment. Not the whole pyramid, just the triangle at the bottom, the base. All right, so its base, and again, this is going to depend on how you look at it. If you're looking at it this way, the base is 15 and the height is 9. If you tip your head this way, the base is 9 and the height is 15. Doesn't really matter which way you look at it, it's going to come out with the same number. So let's just say I'm looking at it this way. So the base is 15 and the height of the triangle is 9. Half of 15 times 9 there. Half of 15 times 9 is the same as 4.5 times 15. That should be 67.5. Is that the right page? That would help. Yes, 67.5. Okay. Now, H, now we're back to the whole shape. H in the formula here, not this one up here, is the height of the whole pyramid. So that's the other number, this 11-foot number that goes from the center of the triangular base up to the tippy top. So H is 11. And again, this formula always has 1/3 in the front. So you got 1/3 of 67.5 times 11. So on your calculators, you would do 1 divided by 3 equals times 67.5 times 11. And when you multiply all that out, you get 247.5. That would be feet cubed. All right, over in example 3 is another triangular pyramid, so it's going to be very, very similar to the last problem. Very, very similar. Okay, so let's start looking at the formula here. Let's go with H first of all. What's the height of the entire pyramid? Height of the entire pyramid. Kaylee, you got an answer?
12.
12 inches. See, I asked you the easy question. All right, now we got to go for the base. So now we're just back to looking at the triangle at the bottom. Not the whole pyramid right now, just the triangle at the bottom for a moment. Okay. Triangular base, 1/2 times its base times its height. In other words, that's 1/2 times something times something. All right, just looking at the triangle at bottom. What's the length of the base of the triangle? Relax, Kaylee, you already got your answer. Nick, what's the base of the triangle measure?
8 and 8.
8 and 8, only one of them can be the base. Try again.
Oh, 8.
8, okay? The base would be 8. And the height, other Nick?
Wait, I have a question.
Okay, but you answer my question first. What's the height of the triangle on the base?
8.
8. What a trick question. Okay, now ask your question.
Okay. So how come that those other numbers? How come the 12 is with all the numbers?
The height, that's the height of the entire pyramid.
Okay.
This here is this B.
Yeah, but when
Relax. I think the step you're waiting to see will come in a minute.
oh,
I think I know where you're going. All right. Don't forget the formula has 1/3 in it too. Now, half of 8 times 8 can be simplified. Half of 8 times 8, well, that's the same as 64 times 1/2, 32. We got 1/3 times 32 times 12. Again, 12 is the H from the end, the 1/3 is in the front. Is that what you wanted to see, Nick?
Yes.
I figured it was. All right, so we're doing a third of 32 times 12, or in other words, the same thing as 4 times 32. 4 times 32 is going to give you 128. And that's going to be inches cubed. Okay, cones at the bottom of the board. All right. Did you catch it? Did you caught that, Corinne? All right. All right. So we're taking a look at the cone now. All right. First thing I'm going to do for both the cone problems is I'm going to write the formula. All right, obviously we know a lot about this formula already. We know that pi is going to change into 3.14 in both of them, so that's taken care of. All right, so let's go to the next part here. All right, r squared. What's the radius of the cone as drawn in example 4? Kayla, I'm assuming you're not just giving me the peace sign, you're trying to give me an answer. 2. All right, the radius, the distance from the center to the edge, that's 2. And the height of the entire cone is going to be what, Corinne? 3. Again, of course, we know pi is going to become 3.14. That crayon, 1/3 out in front. So again, this is that type of problem where a calculator is going to be your best friend. You're doing 1/3, 1 divided by 3, enters or equals, times 3.14, times 2 squared, times 3. And we can multiply all that out. You output a result of 12.56 feet cubed. Okay, example 5, last cone problem, last geometry example. Volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. Find the volume of a cone with a radius of 24 meters and a height of 18 meters. Find the volume of a cone with a radius of 24 meters and a height of 18 meters. Alright, so the formula, 1/3 is 1/3, obviously. Pi again, 3.14. Alright, radius squared. That's going to be what number squared? Jackie? 24. And 24 squared, in case you're unaware, is 576. Last thing is h, the height. What's the height of the entire cone? Relax, Jackie. You got it, right? There's no extra credit here. Relax. Brooke? 18. So you're doing 1/3 times 3.14 times 24 squared, which is 576, times 18, and you're going to output the answer, and the answer is 10,851.84. Is that side, I think? That's meters